Ekhuluma esithangamini sabezindaba ekomkhulu le-ANC iLuthuli House, unobhala jikelele weqembu uFikile Mbalula uthe iqembu liyasemukela isinqumo sokuhoxiswa kwesabelomali, kanti-ke lesinqumo sathathwa amaqembu angaphezu kweshumi ePhalamende.
The political decision to reverse the VAT increase was reached after substantive engagement between the ANC and 10 other parties in Parliament.
Mbalula ubuye wathi isabelomali esisha esizokwethulwa ngoNhlaba kumele sibeke phambili abantu bakulelizwe kanye nezidingo zabo.
Healthcare funding, the employment of 9,300 health workers and 800 post-community service doctors across provinces, expanding frontline capacity and improving public health delivery.
I-ANC ibuye yaxeka isenzo se-DA sokuphikisana nomthethosivivinywa ogqugquzela ukulingana emsebenzini, i-Employment Equity Act.
These are the people yesterday who said they are opposed to VAT increase because they are defending the poor. The next day they wake up, they are in court, and what are they doing in court? They are attacking employment equity.
I-ANC ithi izokweseka umfelandawonye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi iCOSATU kulesimangalo se-DA.